Now, how do you collaborate on the pages using the iPad? Let's get started. So essentially, whenever you have a brand new document, right, like that inside of the pages, you can just open it up. And in here, once you are done or ready to collaborate, you just tap on the share icon and you have a few options. Obviously, you can share it through many different like apps and stuff like that. But instead of sending a copy right there, you tap on this and click on collaborate. And this now doesn't share the actual finished document through these options below, but instead right now you are sharing the invitation. So you can do this with a link, you can share it through a message, email, whatever it is, but just note that right now you are not sharing the finished document, but an actual collaboration. So you will send a link for them to collaborate. Naturally, they will need to have an iPad or Mac with the Pages app installed, or even iPhone, so they can continue with the project. Just keep in mind that this only works if the file, the Pages document, is stored on iCloud. If it's not, and if it's just stored locally, then of course you will not have the ability to just share a link and invite for collaboration, as they will not have access to your local storage. So that's how it works. You need to ensure that as you are on the main page, you can see where exactly you have your files stored. So you can go on my iPad or on iCloud, and you want to essentially make sure that you are sharing the documents inside of the iCloud drive. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos about the Pages and generally iPad and all of the other tech. So yeah, go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the future.